So here's the long anticipated install of the remote starter for the Nissan Kicks. It's pretty easy. You open up your glove box and there'll be 3 screws to remove up here. The manual didn't talk about it, but there's another one on the side. It comes with a little pry bar to do it. So I caught that before I even got that far. Underneath there's just a T-harness that you unplug from your ECM, and the other end of the wire comes down to the box. There's a little bit of a programming sequence which just involved using the key, hitting the remote start, the button start on the Kicks, turning it off, and then hitting the lock button on your remote one time. Once that was done, it came right up. These 2 wires here just came off the back of the glove box. I disconnected them so that it'd be out of the way. But in short, once you get everything plugged in, hit the lock button 3 times. There you go, and it tells you it's going to start. Well, it worked the first time. Alright, I'm back. I figured out that problem earlier, and it's because you can only start it one time, and that was the issue. So 1, 2, 3. It's only on the 3 button remotes. If you heard it start up, and then it'll idle for 20 minutes, and 45 seconds once you open the door to get in, and it has a takeover mode. So put your foot on the brake, push the start button, and it's a takeover. So pretty easy. I'd say about 15 minutes on the installation. If we go with the instructions, you can go right there. If you notice that talking about the takeover procedure and then the remote start limitations. Remote start can only be used one time consecutively before the vehicle must be driven for any short distance. Just reset it. Remote start runtime is preset for 20 minutes and cannot be changed or extended. So, all in all, recommend it. Fairly easy install. Got everything back together. Just the 3 Torx bolts on the under the glove box, and then the one on the side behind that one panel. And otherwise, we're good to go.